All right, East Texas, late season cold front. What am I doing to prevent that? So you can probably see behind me, I am covering them up with these. I have little hoops that I had over the winter. Basically, they're tent stakes and they're bendable. Clip on my frost covers with them. But on this longer section of the U bed, what am I doing to make sure that we don't have any damage with 39 degrees temperatures? All right, taking a page out of Millennial Gardener's videos, I bought some electrical conduit, which you'll see here. I fashioned these little clamps here to the side of my raised bed and then took the 10-foot electrical conduit and bent it over. The 10-foot spans give me a better reach over this wider bit of raised bed. And now I'll put on my frost cover and hopefully we'll make it through these next few cold nights. All right, will it work? I do not know, but we'll see. Hopefully it doesn't get as cold as they say it will, but if it does, this is the best I got. So wish me luck.